The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is generating a lot of buzz with its rumored features that could potentially set a new standard in the smartphone industry. It's speculated to be faster than a MacBook Pro, possess advanced camera technology surpassing the iPhone, and offer an exceptional battery life for a smartphone. Let's explore the 10 major improvements anticipated in the S24 Ultra. First, the new and improved brain. The S24 Ultra might come equipped with a powerful new chipset, either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Samsung's own Exynos 2400. These chipsets are expected to elevate the phone's performance in speed, graphics handling, and overall efficiency, competing with and possibly surpassing current market leaders like the iPhone and Pixel. Second, camera enhancements. Samsung may significantly upgrade the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities. Rumors suggest a larger main camera sensor for better low-light photography, enhanced zoom functions, and a sophisticated 50-megapixel zoom lens. These improvements could lead to faster image processing and higher quality photos and videos. Third, advanced AI capabilities. The phone could feature Samsung's new GOS-A platform, offering real-time language translation, AI-assisted writing and editing, and personalized recommendations. This AI technology, combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, promises to make the S24 Ultra a powerhouse of smart features. Fourth, design refinements. The S24 Ultra's design might see subtle changes for a sleeker look and better ergonomics. It could feature more squared edges, flatter front and back panels, and an array of new color options. There's also speculation about a switch to titanium alloy for a lighter, more durable build. Fifth, display improvements. The phone is expected to maintain its large display, but with an increased refresh rate, possibly up to 144 Hz. This would make for smoother visuals and a more responsive touch experience, particularly beneficial for gaming and high-speed content. Sixth, faster charging. A significant upgrade in charging speed is anticipated, with the S24 Ultra potentially supporting 65-watt wired charging. This could mean a 50% charge in just 20 minutes and a full charge in around 35 to 40 minutes. Seventh, software enhancements. The S24 Ultra will likely run on One UI 6 based on Android 14, bringing improvements in UI design, AI-powered app recommendations, a comprehensive privacy manager, and enhanced multitasking capabilities with Samsung DeX. Eighth, gaming optimizations. For gamers, the S24 Ultra is expected to be a dream device with its top-tier processor, ample RAM, high refresh rate screen, advanced GPU, and improved cooling system. This combination promises an unparalleled mobile gaming experience. Ninth, S Pen upgrades. The S Pen might receive new functionalities, including advanced air gestures and better integration with Samsung Notes and DeX. These enhancements could make the S24 Ultra an even more versatile tool for productivity and creativity. 10th, battery life. Finally, the battery in the S24 Ultra might see a substantial upgrade in both capacity and efficiency, offering prolonged usage times and benefiting from the faster charging capabilities. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable device with potential advancements in processing power, camera technology, AI, design, display, charging speed, software, gaming, S Pen functionality, and battery life. As we await its official unveiling, these rumors paint a picture of a smartphone that could redefine industry standards in 2024.